welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. I'm a makeup artist and a book lover, and my makeup is only like half done because I got a very exciting package from Likely Makeup, so I'm going to be trying out a couple products right now. Likely Makeup is one of my favorite indie brands. The owner, Jordy, she started out with just doing lashes, and then she branched off into the two blush palettes that she has. And she just had a brand new launch that I instantly bought the stuff for, where she launched 6 brand new lipsticks and a mascara. Very well packaged. Now, I only bought 3 lipsticks because if you saw one of my previous videos, I did a massive lipstick declutter. So I only bought 3, and I bought the 3 shades that I thought I would like the most. So I had the 3 liquid lipsticks and then the mascara. The packaging on these are so cool. She has some of the best packaging. I am obsessed with like the carton itself is just so pretty. And here is the packaging for the mascara. It's called Butterfly Kiss. I am so excited for this. But let me open up these. So I have these shades Cup of Tea, Picnic Blanket. Okay, I cannot read this last one. Something Pony. So here is the first one. Picnic Blanket. Just has a plain black top, clear bottom, and there is a little bow. And on the side it says Likely Makeup with the shade name on the bottom. These are supposed to be like a blurring liquid lipstick. It has sort of like a more like a candy scent, but I am so excited for this. Here's the first shade, Picnic Blanket. Here is the next one. This might say Silver Pink Pony. I will double check and put on the screen exactly what this is, but this one is more of like a mauve-y color. Ooh, yeah. That's a tone I go for. Obviously, these are all tones I go for since I bought them specifically because I know I like them. And this one is Cup of Tea. Ooh, that one is so pretty. It's more like a brownie orange. I am so obsessed with how these look. I should probably do a swatch of like all of them. Why not? I'm gonna try Cup of Tea first and then give you my thoughts on this, and then we'll get into the mascara. Flat doe foot. I don't really have a preference on like doe foots when it comes to liquid lipsticks. Feels very comfortable on the lips. I know she did a video where she like blotted it out and just made it like softer and like more blurred, because I think that's something you can do with these. The lipstick swatches may not be the best, but this is Cup of Tea. Alright, this one is Picnic Blanket. This is actually very comfortable on, and I really love this color. Alright, and this last one is Silver Pink Pony. I don't know which one is more of a favorite, this one or Picnic Blanket. But here is Silver Pink Pony. I love this color. I think it's gonna go well with my eye makeup, so I'm gonna leave this one on. Around my lips does not look the best, but that is because it's from taking lipsticks on and off. It is what it is. I will say these feel super comfortable. My lips are generally on the more dry side, but the feel of this is very comfortable. It doesn't feel very drying. It feels just very soft. There is just a little bit of transfer, but I think that's just where it's still wet. But otherwise, it just feels so soft, and I am so excited for this. And I love these shades. Like, oh, they're so pretty. So let's go ahead and try out this mascara. Very simple packaging. Just says Butterfly Kiss Mascara by Likely Makeup. And let's see this wand. Pretty big wand. It's not an hourglass shape. I prefer like an hourglass shaped wand. I'm not mad at it. Alright, so to give this mascara a fair shot, I'm going to quickly curl my lashes, and then we will see what happens. Let me zoom you in a little bit more so you can get a good idea of what my eyes look like. So I don't really have the best lashes. I don't. Let's see how this works. That is giving me such wispy lashes, and I'm not mad at it. Typically for mascara, I like ones that make my lashes look thicker and then longer. I prefer thickness over length, but it's cute. It's cute. Let me do this side so you can see the difference without. Let me see this side. Sometimes one eye's lashes look better than the other. I will say on this side, I do have some transfer above my liner situation here and a little bit on my lid. That typically happens because I am very bad at applying mascara. but this is one coat. I'll do a couple coats, see how much I can build this up. Alright, so that is 2 coats. This side is looking a little bit more clumpy, but this eye is typically like my bad lashes, but this side is looking really great. I'm loving how it's just looking. I will say it's not a mascara that is just instantly wowing me, but I can see this being a really great everyday mascara for me if like I plan on going to like work and I want to define my eyes a little bit. I feel like this is going to be a really great mascara for that without it being like too intense if I don't have any eye makeup on, but I don't hate it. I will have to see how well this holds up, but if it doesn't flake on me, it's going to be a great mascara. So I'm going to try and do one more coat up top and then we'll see how it looks on the bottom lashes. Alright, so that is 3 coats. I like it. So far I like it. I do still have some little smudges, but I'm going to take care of that once everything sort of dries down. Not that big of a deal, but let's see how this works on the lower lashes. Right off the bat, not the biggest fan of this on my lower lashes, but to be fair, I barely have any lower lashes, so I need a mascara that really makes my lashes stand out on the bottom. It's okay on the bottom. I'm going to try to do one more coat. I don't like to put too much mascara buildup on my lower lashes. I do have a little bit of mascara marks down here, but I can again take care of that. But this is what the mascara is looking like. And a close-up. Alright, so I will say that for the mascara, it's not a super wet formula and it's not a super dry formula. It's somewhere like in the middle with like maybe a slightly more kick on the dry side, which isn't a bad thing. I really do enjoy like a drier mascara. If it's too wet, it just is such a mess. But this one, you know, it's a happy medium for me. So I'm not mad about it for that. Again, I will have to see how this wears throughout the rest of the night, but it is 3:15. I'll probably have this mascara on for the next like 6-ish hours. I usually try to take off my makeup between 9:30 and 10 o'clock, so I will update in the description how well this wears for the rest of the night. But I am pleasantly surprised with the mascara and I absolutely love this lip. It does not feel like there's anything on my lips and I absolutely love that in a lipstick. So I feel like this is one that I can wear to work and it won't drive me crazy. But let me quickly try to clean up where the mascara kind of smudged and I will be back to just wrap up this video. Alright, so I got the mascara marks off really easy. If you're unaware of this little tip, you take a spoolie once the mascara fully dries and it just flakes right off. For most mascaras. Sometimes you'll get like a rogue mascara that that won't happen, but spoolies are your friend. Just don't rub too hard because it's right by your eye and your eye is more sensitive. Anyways, I just want to sit down and film with this new makeup launch because it is so exciting. Likely Makeup is one of my absolute favorite indie brands. I have loved every lash. I have loved every blush palette and I'm probably going to love this new launch. I did not buy any of the latest lash launches because they were like brown and I just don't like that on me. But I'm so excited for these liquid lips. I'm so excited for this mascara. Again, is the mascara going to be like my absolute favorite? No, but it's cute. It's a cute mascara and I'm happy with it, and these lipsticks are so pretty. I might try to convince myself that it's okay to buy the rest of the lip colors because the formula on this is just so comfortable and I'm just really into that. But I will have these linked down below if you're interested in trying out Likely Makeup. Not sponsored or anything, bought with my own money. I don't think the owner even knows who the hell I am. So I think that's everything, and like I said, I will list in the description down below the products and how they wear throughout the rest of the day. But I am super excited and I have high hopes for this. Thank you so much for watching. If you want, you can follow me on my other socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere. And if you like book content, I am Devouring Bookishly on TikTok and Instagram. I'm thinking about changing that name because it's kind of like a mouthful. We'll see. But yeah, give this video a like. I like to see the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Turn this life into something that you can never run. So fight and fight.